In this video, we will install, review, and evaluate the recent EndeavourOS Ganymede Neo release. We download the ISO image. We boot the image and wait for it to load. This distribution is based on Arch Linux, whose first release appeared in 2019. Once in the live environment, we select Start the installer. We choose the offline version with KDE Plasma and the language. Next, we select the keyboard layout, in my case Latin American. We keep systemed boot as it comes by default. Now we select the disk where we want to install and choose Erase Disk, allowing automatic partitioning. We enter the name, username, hostname, password, and confirmation. We also enable automatic login. After confirming, the installation process begins. EndeavourOS is a continuation of Antergo's Linux and uses Calamari. Initially, it used XFCE by default, but now it uses KDE. However, the desktop can be changed by choosing online. The installation process finishes, we enable the Restart Now option and press Done. On first boot, the system enters KDE Plasma, slightly customized. We review the desktop and apps in the menu. Then we open the terminal. We increase the font and window size. We download the fastfetch and Sysbench packages. We run fastfetch to see system information. We obtain average values for idle RAM usage and package memory size. Now we run commands to contrast the information. The kernel used by the system is very up to date. We verify support for the Y2038 problem. With systemdanalyze, we check boot time without firmware, which is very fast. Next, we run Sysbench to analyze the CPU with 1 thread and then 5 threads. In both cases, average values are obtained. We continue with threads and mutex tests to observe concurrency and locking behavior. The values obtained are very low. Now we validate memory read and write performance. Both results stand out compared to other distributions. We run Sysbench to evaluate disk input and output performance. Average results are obtained in both aspects. To finish the tests, we run the top command and open Firefox to observe memory usage during startup. Then we open a second tab and load a video. We open a third and a fourth tab. The resulting usage is quite high. We have finished the review and evaluation of EndeavourOS Ganymede Neo. Now we present the conclusions. EndeavourOS is a modern operating system suitable for a pleasant user experience. However, performance is not its strength. Based on Sysbench performance results, EndeavourOS does not outperform Arch Linux since it does not optimize beyond it. That's all for this video. If you liked it, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and enable notifications. See you next time.